So this is the Zebracom LS2208 barcode scanner, and it comes with this stand. So I thought I'd run you through how to set this up. Now this base itself sticks to a bench really firmly because of these 5 rubberized feet underneath it. So it'll hold your scanner nicely on the stand on a bench somewhere. So to actually fix it, we want to remove this wing nut that's on the bottom of this. Now we should have that bolt there. Now if you pull the plastic coating around this back a little bit, you'll see that the metal piece here actually has a shape to it so that it can't swivel. So you want to make sure you line it up with this base station because it's going to lock it in place, and you want that to be at the right angle. Now I would suggest that you want to put it in this way so that the larger ground or surface area is forwards, because that's going to give you a better center of gravity. When you've got the weight of the scanner in the stand, it's going to be leaning forwards, and that should keep it nice and stable. Whereas if you had it around the other way, for example like this, when it's leaning forwards, your weight is going to pull it up and it's going to tip. As you can see, it's doing that right now, just with the weight of the scanner there without even adding any usage to it. So I would suggest this direction. And of course this arm is flexible, as you saw. So once you've got this in place, we're going to use our wing nut and screw that in there. We'll do that up nice and tight so that it's all locked in. There we go. Now we can adjust it to however we're going to use it and put that in place on our bench. And there we go. We're ready to go with our barcode scanner arm. We can just stick that on the bench or on our countertop, whatever is going to work in our store space. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.